Hello students. Now today we discuss the new topic construction. In construction, first we draw the figure and write the step how can draw the figure. So the questions related to the construction of line, angle and triangle. First we draw the construction of angle. Now question number 1. Question number 1. To construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of given ray and justify the construction. Construct an angle of 90 degree. Construct an angle of 90 degree. First we draw a line of 6 centimeter or 5 centimeter as well as, देखो किसी भी एंगल का आपको अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है तो सबसे पहले हम एक सीधी लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं और कंपास, स्केल, पेंसिल की सहायता से हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं। जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा उसको लिखेंगे थ्रू द नंबरिंग, नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3। Not write generally in a paragraph, but you write also in the form of numbering. So first we draw a line segment AB 6 centimeter. Then we take a compass at the point A and draw an arc. हम कंपास लेंगे, कंपास की सहायता से कंपास को A पर रखेंगे और एक आर्क ड्रा करेंगे। Now again we draw the arc from C again and again. Now take more and half distance of the arc to draw an arc above the arc. Now this to join the arc to the A. Now join arc to the A. The given line is the AD. Now the required construction is for. देखो सबसे पहले हमें सीधी लाइन 6 सेंटीमीटर की खींचेंगे। लाइन पर पॉइंट ए पर कंपास रखेंगे और एक आर्क लगाएंगे। पॉइंट सी इज ऑन द लाइन ए बी। जो सी पॉइंट है वह ए बी पर है। टेक ए कंपास at the point A, C and draw arc and also another arc. Take the more than half distance of the arc, more than half distance of the arc and draw the arc above it. The arc intersected. Now joining the intersected arc to the point A and produce to D. So therefore the required angle of 90 degree is formed. This is the diagram. Now you write the construction. Number 1, we first draw a line segment AB 6 cm. Number 2, take a compass at the point A. At the point A, draw an arc. Number 3, compass put at the point C and draw an arc and also another arc. Number 4, take more and half distance of the arc and draw the arc above it and they are intersected. Number 5, join the line from A to intersected arc and produce it D. So the required angle of 90 degree is formed. Clear? Okay. Next, question number 2. Next, question number 2. To draw the arc, of 45 degree, construct an angle of 45 degree. Construct an angle of 45 degree. अब हमें 45 डिग्री के एंगल का कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है। When we draw the angle of 90 degree, half of their angle to get the half of 90 degree is 45 degree. Now the construction of 45 degree, so we first draw a line segment AB 6 centimeter. Draw an arc from the A and take a point C on the line segment AB to draw arc and another arc. Take more and half distance of the arc and draw another arc above it. They are intersected and these intersected arcs now join to A and produce it to D. So the required angle of 90 degree is found. Then we half of the angle of 90 degree is equal to 45 degree. So put the compass at the point C. Put the compass at the point C and take more than half distance of the arc of angle of 90 degree to draw an arc, and the compass we put on that point to draw another arc. The arcs are intersected at the point and now join A to the intersected arc. So this point is produced to E. So the required angle is 45 degree. Clear? Now how can write the construction of 45 degree? We will construct the construction of 90 degree. But we also add some points related to the construction of 45 degree. The next point be added to the construction of 90 degree. Put the compass, next point, put the compass at the point C and make more and half distance of the angle 90 degree. Then we draw the arc and they are intersected each other. To join the intersected arc at the point to the point A to produce E. Therefore, the required angle of 45 degree is formed. Clear? Now again we draw the angle of 22 and half degree. So 22 and half is the half of 45 degree. So we construct the bisector of an angle of 45 degree. Therefore, put the compass at the point C take more than half distance of the angle of 45 degree, angle of 45 degree, and draw an arc such that the compass be put at that point and draw an arc. The arcs are intersected and they join to the point A. So the required result is 22 and half degree. Now the construction of that, to add the some points in the construction of 45 degree. The point 1 or 2 points be added. Take the points, take the compass at the point C and make half of an angle to construct the arc. The arcs are intersected and they are joined to the point A and draw to produce F, and the required angle is 22 and half degree. Therefore, they are the required result. Clear? Thank you.